Hey there YouTube, it's me, Zedo here. I've been outside all day really actually. I don't know how this is gonna work out. When I did do a few other Pokemon Go videos like this, but the problem being is that I played music in the background with my phone while I was recording like this, basically. So I don't know, like if I keep the volume down, like doing this, up and down stuff, I don't know if I keep the volume down, you guys will still be able to hear my voice, but the music that I'm playing is going to be lowered. It's going to be lowered. And that's what I want to happen, so you guys can hear the music and me talking. And there's a car coming, I don't know where. Oh, I'm so dumb. Okay, there we go. Alright, so here goes. Here goes nothing. What's that? Whatever. Here goes nothing. See if this works. Alright, so I don't know if this is actually gonna work or not. If the music is gonna be like low volume or not. I'm hoping it is, but I'm gonna check the recording. Like I'm gonna stop playing it, and I'm gonna check the recording in a minute and see if it is. Then I'm gonna keep it like that. But if it isn't, I probably need to talk louder, or just not play music. Oh, a bunch of birds out here. Bunch of birds. Look at the birds. Okay. That's dumb. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that again. And it's kind of strange, for me at least, or for me, I guess at least. There's some cars parked up here, so that's why I'm walking on the other side of the grass. Ow. Yeah, the one thing that's on my mind right now is that, like, I know for a fact that there are cars sometimes over on the side, parked near somebody's house, or parking outside the grass, or for example, something like that. And one day I'm kind of messed up about the fact that if I walk by one of these cars and somebody is like in it, like the car's parked and there's somebody in it, that alone is gonna freak me out to the point where I take off running. Sorry, I'm just kind of messed up about playing music right now, but you know, the mere fact that any of these cars could be parked one day, and I walk by playing Pokemon Go or something, and there's somebody in the car, that fact alone is gonna make me take off running, because that's messed up. Because who the heck would be in a parked car, like by a patch of grass, and just sitting there? I mean, that's just messed up. That's what I'm mostly worried about. Like, I'm not worried about anybody being like behind me or something like that, or coming from the side, because most people either know me or I know them. So, you know, I'm gonna start walking back here because as far as I go, because I don't want to be walking around the whole big circle all the way back and forth from here. I haven't caught a single Pokemon yet, so you know, that's the main reason. So yeah. But like, that's what I'm more worried about, is if somebody is like in a car and I walk past it, excuse me, like I walk past it and they just like pop their head out, like looking through the window or something, they just jump right up. Like, that's what I'm more worried about, because more often than not there are cars parked like near a patch of grass, like near the side of the grass. And I stay on the opposite side because, like, if I can't, if I can, I stay on the opposite side like I'm gonna do right now. Because, I mean, like, even though I just walked past it before, and I know for a fact nobody's in there, I'm gonna do it anyway, because that's just, you know, like, who knows what the heck is gonna happen. That's just messed up on its own. Like, either people know me or I know them. That's not, like, I'm not worried about somebody walking up behind me, beside me, because usually I know them and they know me. But, you know, if there's somebody by a house, like, for example, if there's some, like, let's say, white Jeep or black Jeep or yellow Jeep or whatever, just some, say, for example, a yellow Jeep near somebody's house, and like, it's the first time I ever seen it there before, because I don't usually see a yellow Jeep at their house. So I'm gonna be walking on the other side of the grass. I'm not gonna be walking near that Jeep, like on the side of the grass that Jeep is at, or on the side that Jeep is at, period, because if I do, and somebody is sitting in that Jeep for no particular reason whatsoever, they're sitting in that Jeep and it's parked by somebody's house, or just in a patch of grass, or just somewhere like by a mailbox even, and somebody's sitting in that Jeep and it's parked and the engine's not running, or it is running, either way, somebody's sitting in a Jeep and it's not moving, then I'm not going to go near it, because that's just dumb. So, you know, and I'm like a little bit more cautious now because of what happened. There has not been a single instance or anything like that has happened to me before, but I just want to make sure anyway. But after, I'm like a lot more cautious after what happened with that truck or whatever. I don't know, whatever. That dang car that was if you guys saw my chased by a car video, you guys know what I mean. Okay, that was freaky. I thought something like a squirrel or something. So yeah, you guys know what I mean. I've not caught a single dang Pokemon. I'm just gonna stop recording right now because I'm just done.